Ruben.
So,
What do you think? Tell us.
that's Italian way, you see? You see?
Italian way of cooking, mama, with the bread,
You
bro.
see this bread?
It's perfect. It's perfect.
So, situation. You forgot 2 liters of milk. My fault.
Some bananas, they disappear,
Some bananas.
but it's okay. They disappear. So, no, but they will be.
Maybe somebody took them. Sure. They're here now.
Let me see. And this is the cabin. What do you think about the cabin? Is that possible?
Check the sauna.
No, it's true. Later, we're gonna show you the sauna. Now we're cooking. It's crazy. Watch here. The boy chilling, incredible. All together. David, take the phone.
So, here we are. Yes, we are.
Chef and Picchio team. So we are 2 groups because we are divided in 4 groups here in the cabin, in class. 2 groups, and today it's our turn to cook first night. And watch the team. It's amazing. So we're gonna add the eggs and cook eggs inside the tomato sauce. And cook it here. Mamma mia, a little bit crunchy on top. Little bit crunchy on top. Pesto getting hot.
We are cooking, yes, we are cooking everything we can.
Team Picchio, ready, cooking. Ruben, you want to tell us what's happening now?
What's happening? We are going to meditate with the class.
The part.
People are joining.
Very nice.
Just about meditating. Walking outside.
I think no.
The sky is pretty clear, pretty clean.
It's the northern lights, guys.
I really love donkey just. Yeah, like. Hello, there's a flash. Yeah. Maybe
You need to manage.
Maybe we just need to watch.
Exactly. You can do whatever you want.
Spoon in the pot. Hana is G-stroking the spoon in the pot.
6-7.
G-stroke.
6-7.
Or a G-stroke.
6-7.
A G-stroke.
Are you ready?
Or D-stroke.
Time for meditation.
I want to stay to bed with a face when you're
And the day after, walking in this fucking crazy beautiful place. Gigi, what do you think? Too much effort. Runner, professional athlete. Crazy.
Now, I king. It's crazy. I love this weather.
Oh,
We talk about this with Alessandro. Feel the cold temperature. It's really good feeling. And yes, it's dry and cold for me. Because when it's wet, it's more difficult to enjoy the moment. But now it's dry.
crazy, and watch the sun. Really lucky. We are having this walk. Now it's around 12 because of the weather, so we change our program. It's really beautiful. And Talita and Seb, they are leading us today.
We ran there yesterday.
Yesterday. Nice. Crazy. DJ, we're in. This is the eye. Crazy guys. Look, we are really lucky.
Yes.
This weather after that, it's crazy. Too much lucky.
Yes. Cold but dry.
Exactly.
Best weather of the world.
Exactly. You feel it.
Yes.
Your skin. I have at the top, visit a mine. Took a photo with the boss of the class and the professor. You can see is king.
No. Oh man. No.
Stories
Oh sheesh.
Getting tomatoes.
Oh sheesh.
Milenucci, can you open those
in
stuff?
the pot.
Put it in different pots.
So,
the bucket and the sauce. We keep it separate. Also the cheese.
Selena, you walk?
Separate.
You walk?
In the pot.
She's the boss.
The
We transfer the tomatoes
Was
from
focusing
the salads to
the
the
fire.
pot.
Oh my god.
We transfer the tomatoes from the salad to the pot.
Daviducci is playing the guitar. Daviducci is playing. Daviducci is playing the guitar for us all together.
Pleasure.
It's a golden way.
Thanks, Daviducci is playing the guitar.
Even crap.
Look at the pasta Ruben is cooking. He puts it in the pot.
What is this?
Coffee, it's mine,
Daniel.
but you can take it. It's 3 in 1 from
How are you?
He's there.
Send greetings to your girlfriend.
Is the pasta already put in the pot?
This one is still.
Is the
You want? I can say something to my girlfriend too. I don't have a girlfriend.
It's a good message for your girlfriend.
I don't need girlfriend.
Your future girlfriend.
I don't know if I want future girlfriend.
No. It's okay,
Oh.
brother.
For my dog, I prefer my dog.
Hey!
in the pot.
Bala, tutto bene?
I don't think so. I
Tutto bene?
Why not?
Bedag.
Break it in the pot.
Hein? Bedag?
Sur bébé.
Ruben, Bedag! Bedag! Ruben! Bedag! Mlijeko! Vala mlijeko, Bedag! Pička! What is pička, David?
Pizza.
I don't know.
Pizza?
No!
I can say on video.
Okay, sorry. Let's show. Okay, Gigi. What are you doing?
Okay, GG.
What are you doing, Gigi?
I try to have a watermelon, but it's really not easy. It's many hours of training, many focus. Like finally, I think I use more energy than Selena, but in the fruit. I play to this. No, because you work, you have a discipline. It's really good, and me, I play to this.
Gigi, but what do you think about the run we did today?
We ran.
You like?
Yes, man, so good. In the nature.
It's about having a balance.
Yes, true.
So it's
And Gigi, what did we eat for dinner?
Pasta, but not really good pasta.
Come che no?
No, pasta tomato. No.
And the chef watched the
Pasta
See
tomato
the chef relaxing.
with
It was really good.
calotto.
Really good. Spaghetti.
Wow.
Ah, nein,
Okay.
er spielt das Spiel, okay.
How was the spaghetti?
Very good.
Was good? Like? Nice.
Really good. And second round at 11.
Because we have more
I
pasta.
saw also spaghetti.
But you want spaghetti with what? With what?
With water? With water?
What?
With what? What?
Oh, but just spaghetti.
Okay, but spaghetti like with water. You like?
It's better if we warm up the spaghetti in the water, I think.
Okay, thank you, Gigi. You're gonna.
I'm a chief, I'm a compliment.
Yes, of course. This place is crazy. But Milena, do we have a video of this place? No?
Of which place?
This cabin.
Yeah, not really. Not yet.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow we do a turnaround.
Turn around.
Turn around.
No!
Davidinho and Jeppe enjoying their time. Amazing. Thank you, David, for playing for us.
And the other two groups started to prepare the dinner for the second day. Gigi had a crazy,
Porco
really
due,
nice idea.
porco due.
And we basically created a joke
Barefoot.
about the dinner they were preparing, these two groups. So basically, and we created the image with the AI. So funny. So this is Thibaut, the main chef, who was looking for rice. So he went out of the cabin. But Asia had all the rice of Norway and he didn't want to give him. So the angel, Ruben, opened his arms and screamed chili sin carne, which was the menu. And he got a lot of rice to Thibaut. Thibaut was really happy, was trying to go back to his cabin to give the food to all his family, that were us basically. And he found a beautiful girl, which was Lena. And Lena started to talk about deep ecology, that was what we were talking about those days, one of the main arguments. And Thibaut said, please give me like tomatoes like this, do you have, since you have a girl from the nature. And Lena, since she comes out of the nature, she found all of that. And Thibaut was really happy and they invited her to eat with his family. So they went back together and they prepared the crazy chili sin carne. And on your right, there was also the big brother, in this case it was the professor, Svein, so funny. And he was waiting for the food after coming back from a run. That's what he did when we were there. So nice. And we were telling the story and it was really, really funny. And also the professor was really smiling a lot. Super funny, so it was really nice. And now you can see we tried to do another version with with our professor a little bit older, but he preferred the youngest one, so makes sense. Chilling, trying to play some guitar. And my face, I was really focused. And the guy's going with my rhythm. Day after, Professor Sam, two classmates left because they had parents and like in Levanger, and we stayed one more night. Then the cabin went running, crazy running.
No, straight ahead. So yes, I think the micro is bad.
It's great! Where we are, guys?
Ruben, Ruben, where we are?
Where we are? We're in nature, man.
We are in nature. We don't know. But Ruben, what is the nature?
Everything is nature.
Oh.
Guys,
You want? Oh, stay focused on your phone.
exactly. On the foot. Crazy trail running. Yeah, oh.
Why do we do
Why do we do this? You know? Because it's funny. Don't tell to the others. We are here enjoying a good trail. Watch. Crazy. In the middle of this wild nature. Crazy. Really crazy. Oh sheesh. Oh sheesh. Yeah. Crazy. Crazy nature. And we enjoy all together. It's fucking great. It's great, Rubenio. Let's go. Let's keep our run. Showing the trail. Oh shit! Crazy. Running! Holy shit! FRILUFTSLIV!
On the left, on the left. Yes. Oh, so smart, Alessandro.
Day after, woke up, Gigi, and watch here, woo! A little snow from the night before, really late. We were doing a fire outside, and started snowing. So beautiful. So we went out, of course, nature, going around, taking a walk, doing crazy. Tried to fall down, basically. Meow. So we were trying to sliding, basically. It was really funny. And in all of this, half of the day, basically, we were having classes talking about humanity and nature. And many questions because we were discussing in groups, and so basically we had a lot of questions. We were really confused because they were like really big questions. Gigi, what are we doing?
We earned a moose. It's crazy, guys. Come on.
We're trying to follow some tracks, but we are not sure about it. Full of snow. It's really beautiful. Climbing trees, as boys do. And one thing to add, I'm gonna write some reflection about it on my Substack. You find the link on the YouTube channel and also on my Instagram. So basically I share reflection invitation because I like to write down things. So I'm gonna talk about some of the reflection we did here because we did really like a big discussion, like is a human part of nature? Is it above nature? So how do we approach with nature? How and what are we doing today? So really deep question. So if you want to know, you find the link there on the YouTube channel or on my Instagram. Substack is where I share invitations. So yeah.
Wait, fuck. Yes. Back to the fox.
And before leaving, we're cleaning all because we have to clean and leave the place as we found it, or even better.
Let's go, boy. Hey, Talita! Let's go up. No. Bathrooms, rooms, room. Room. Oh shit, room has a cleaning. Boss Sebu. Room, other room. Room again. Other rooms there. No. Room. Bathroom. Woo. Room, bathroom. Wow! Sauna, crazy! How's that possible?
for women. Men. Food. And we are here. Let's go. This is the crazy cabin. Woo! Bus arrived. It has small photo together. It's great. So nice. All together. Some pics. And we went back and went to celebrate Halloween because also it was our friend's birthday. And me and Ruben, we used the costume that we had, so we did like climbers. So funny. Also the other costumes were really beautiful. So we're dancing a bit, and yeah, those week incredible week. Close with this song. It was one of the main songs of this month. So good. Cheers.